This property is a 5-bedroom, 4 full baths, and 1/2 bath, colonial. The list price has recently been reduced to $735,000. Interior features of this property include an eat-in kitchen, a finished basement, natural gas heat, a gourmet kitchen, and a kitchen island. On the outside, this property features an attached garage. The approximate square footage is 5,124 square feet. This property is represented by
Pat Shannon with Long and Foster Realtors.